Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I'm an emotional mess. I just recently launched our Take Care of Your Brain crew necks. I know this is quite the jump. I want to donate to a nonprofit close and dear to my heart. I'm super grateful my sister and I were born here in America, but growing up my family was like super poor. My parents were refugees, my siblings were refugees. I remember around Christmas, my sister and I would go to donation drives. We'd pick out toys from these charity events for Christmas. I was always embarrassed being that my family relied on donation drives. Of course, as I'm older now, I know around this time how important it is to give back. Especially the holidays, there's a soft spot there for me, from my experience growing up. I look forward to going to these donation drives and toy drives. Just pick out one toy, to pick out one present, and to wrap it up myself and then put it under the tree and open it the next day and be like, well, I got a present. If anything, those are the true moments that are true testaments to your life now. How much you worked, how far you've come. It's so humbling to think where my family came from. And I know it can sound selfish. I think I can own up that, yeah, it does help me lift off some personal guilt, but it's also helping me step forward. If you had a similar childhood, there's nothing to be embarrassed about, nothing to be ashamed about. I'm proud of it. Okay, now that I've gathered myself together, welcome to my Asian plus size haul. Why are we throwing shade at Asian? We all know that in Asia, plus size is not a thing. They're large is in American small to medium. It really depends. Let's just say Asia identifies most Americans as plus size. Plus size, you get the drift. So when I do these Asian plus size clothing hauls, please add the shock factor. Is it actually plus size? I guess we'll see today.
And honestly, it's the fact that size inclusion is not a thing, and it's very toxic to not be a certain body shape, aka skinny. It sucks.
I got this in extra large. And yes, extra large is considered plus size. Just a PSA, if you're watching this and you may feel a little bit attacked, sensitive, or hurt, it's okay. Don't take it personally. Girl, trust me, I've been there, done that. I've just accepted that the beauty standards in Asia is super toxic, and you should too. Because it is. I'd say this would be like a medium. It's not even a large. Hold on. You see how it's like gushing out my sides? But surprisingly, it fits. Wait a second. This is not a tether. It's just my Apple Watch on my leg to count my steps. It's not too short, not too long. This is literally the perfect, like, appropriate length of a skirt for me. This is a pleated black denim skirt. It's a skirt underneath. In my 3 years of doing Asian clothing hauls, this has never been possible. Wearing a skirt. This side's a little juggly muggly. Just wearing a sweater like this, you could never tell. No freaking way. Crack the code. I figured this is the brand. I like this. We're keeping this. Oh shit. Wait a second. What the f? Is this normal? What? I was like, why does it feel like breezy underneath? I don't know whether or not I should be thankful or like offended. First of all, it's not ripping. It feels like it is, but it's not ripping. This hole was purposely made. It gives you extra room for your stomach to bulge out, but then it's also like kind of offensive. Oh my god, I've never experienced this before. You know what? It covers up. I'm fine. It's just so funny. Like, who? I'm just gonna be grateful that that's a thing. I found this cami top. I'm kind of shook. It's actually big. Typically, whenever I get plus size clothes from Asia, it's like this big. Yeah, plus size. You see how wide this shirt's made? How thick the straps are? I like this. I hate fake bra pads. Like, why? Asian clothing, you love to put fake padding underneath. So obvious. Y'all cannot be seamless or what? Padding's annoying. Mocha latte color. Don't recommend wearing it like that. Personally, tuck it in. The straps are wide. It doesn't hide the bra though. Maybe that's why they put in these padding so you wouldn't have to wear a bra. But girl, chesty besties would be slouchy. I appreciate it being bigger. It's not juicing me. It actually feels like normal clothes in America. Because we all know that this is like jumbo size in Asia. The neckline is poorly made. I do like the sweetheart. It just gives a nice illusion to your chesty besties. Pop in. It's stretchy. Like, what? You don't get stretchy in Asia? Oh. Okay, I found it. Oh, it's sewn in. You can't even take it out. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna toss this. This will be on Poshmark. Our next outfit. What do you think? What do you think? Forget what I think. What do you think? So I got this long denim jean skirt. Looks like nice and fitted. But then I forgot the aspect where I'm short. And so it's not really doing me justice. Instead, I look like a floating mop. Those hips. I mean, I do appreciate the fact that there's a slit one right here. And also it flares out, so then it gives you more of a like a bell shape. It has a scrunch at the back. I don't feel suffocated. I feel like it fits me fine actually. I don't know why, but this top gotta go. It does not look right on my body. It's just so saggy. I like that it's stretchy, but why? Thanks for the mini bra, but it's not even like touching my skin. Instead of holding me in place, it looks like it's throwing me off in place. I mean, hey, on the bright side, it's actually holding up. Especially if you like the Asian style clothes. Like, this is not a bad choice. Why do I look Amish right here? I didn't zip up my skirt yet, but let's talk about this top. I saw this sweetheart denim black crop top, strapless top. And it's scrunchy at the back, so it gives you a lot of room to just slip it on. Very inclusive, actually. You don't get to see that a lot. But the thing is, this top feels like that friend. A sketchy sus best friend where you're just like, can I trust you? If I tell you this, are you gonna run with it and tell someone else? Like, it looks fine on camera, I think. Easily have a slip up in this. There's no gripping in this area, so you would need boob tape. Tape it onto your body. Denim corset is like really cute on its own. Again, if you can see here, there's just like nothing to hold it against your skin. Like, what? I think I like it more than I hate it. For this skirt, I got a size extra large, and as you can see, the sizes are not consistent. Portraying a medium. Could barely get it. Could barely get it. Compared to the skirt before, this one way much more. There is scrunching at the back, so I'm a little disappointed that suddenly this one doesn't fit. Like, what? And the length isn't bad, and it's not that weird bell shape. Why do you have to do this? I do not want to hurt my nails. I just got them done. I did them myself. What if I wear it like this? You know how some skirts, they open it on purpose? Like a style, or can you tell it just doesn't fit? I don't think you could wear this comfortably. Protected, safe, and on choice. The skirt you can find on my Poshmark. Say less. Not any kind of skirt, a hot pink skirt. And it looks promising. I should have known better. This would have been so cute. I need to order a bigger size. I'm already flat, I get it, but like way more. You can see it all, girl. Just take it in. Out of everything, I have the most hope for this skirt. I know you're numb to this because I do these hauls all the time, but I just want this to sink. Let it sink in. Extra large in Asia is a medium. Here, the body difference. And I'm not even out here trying to body shame anyone, any country. I'm just here to show you guys the difference. Poshmark. So this is the next piece. It's just a dress. It's like a slip-on, but you can wear this like super casual. Like, look, took one of my jackets. Oh, that's a shot. Okay, come through. Or, okay. However, it looks like it was just put on a mannequin and cut right there and there. There's really no lining to the seams. Can I trust this to hold up? It's a little loose on the side. Oh, I will say there's like this little outline on the side right here where your hip kind of flows out, and that's what's really helping it look like I have curves. And the A-line flare to this is enough to drape down the dress and not line my body like this. My stomach and my food. And also the color's so neutral that just makes me feel like a mature Pinterest board. If you're wearing like a jacket on top, it just looks more slimmy. Not too long. It's like mid. I see where this is going. Some socks and some booties, a little scarf, earmuffs. Hey! Now these. I'm shocked. When I pulled these out of their packaging, I was like, who ordered men's muscle tees? And then it dawned upon me. These were actually plus size beaters, whatever you want to call them. Tank tops. No freaking way. They're actually big. Appearance wise, they qualify as plus size. So I also put on the jeans that I got. And you know why they're considered plus size? Because they have elastic banding with like drawstrings, so you can adjust it to your waist size. That's the most common thing you'll find in Asia. Plus size just means there's like scrunch. The style is so old fashioned. Why brown drawstrings? I mean, I can see why they consider this plus size, but like, come on, do better. As far as the tank goes, it's like they laid it out and just cut it up. What is this? How is this supposed to fit anyone? The art of a woman's body has curves, dips, and hips and tricks. This is not sitting on my boobs right, or my armpits right. You cannot buy me enough McDonald's to get me into the white one. This seems even worse. I'm embarrassed for myself. Me wearing this out? Sue me. This is offensive to a woman's body. Come on, considering this. We have black jeans, and I am looking forward to this. Elastic at the back to make it plus size. We have a row of buttons. Oh god. I'm not gonna button the whole thing, but it fits. It fits. Besides the first denim skirt that we tried, this fits perfect. It only takes one fold. I'll take that. It's not bad. I don't have black denims right now that fit me well. They feel way more comfortable than some of my jeans right now. Okay, something's working in our favor. A little writer's note here. Only get the stretchy elastic jeans if they're black. I feel like it's very tacky on actual denim color with some sneaks, some length to my legs. Okay, it doesn't fit weird. This is a plus size cami. I'm not as offended. You can tell it's a cami made for someone with a bigger chest, just someone who's a little bit wider. I can appreciate that for a plus size Asian brand. I mean, I don't have much to say about the tank. This top. Of all the Asian plus size clothing brands that I've been hauling and trying, for the lack of variety and the lack of options, I'll give this brand an okay. I'm not complaining. I have new jeans I can wear. Until next time, don't forget to support our sweaters for a good cause this holiday season, and yeah, bye.
Tell me where you